Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make alpha, beta, gamma symbol by creating shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into it. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. So type Word in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match, click on the blank document and then maximize it. Then here we have to simply click on Insert tab. Here you will find symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and click on more symbols. Now here you will find font. Make sure it is normal text. For the subset, click on this drop down arrow and then scroll up. And we need to look for Greek and Coptic. Now here, you will find this Greek capital letter alpha, Greek capital letter beta, and the Greek capital letter gamma. And you also have this Greek small letter alpha, which is the common symbol for alpha. And then the Greek small letter beta, the also common symbol for beta. And the Greek small letter gamma. But this is more commonly used, the Greek capital letter gamma. So let's try with this. The Greek small letter alpha, the Greek small letter beta, and the Greek capital letter gamma. So let's try with alpha first. So obviously you can simply insert this, but in order not to do that, every time we're going to insert an alpha, we're going to create shortcut key. So here you'll find autocorrect, click on that. Here you'll find replace. Replace text as you type. Okay, so we're going to replace it with a text. So let me quickly create a shortcut. So let me just type backslash and then, so it's alpha, and then type alpha. You can also do the same thing. Make sure it is easy to remember. Do not put a lot of numbers or any extra characters. Now once done, just simply click on add. Click on OK. Close this. And now let's type it. Backslash alpha. Let's increase the font size to clearly show you. Now once you type it, simply hit the enter key. And there you go. We have just created the alpha sign. Now let's try with beta. Again, we have to click on insert, click on symbol, click on more symbols. And here, for the subset, click on drop down arrow, scroll up, and you will find Greek and Coptic. Then scroll down and you will find this beta, the commonly used beta sign, which is the Greek small letter beta. Now same thing, click on autocorrect. This time we need to replace this with text, so simply type backslash and then beta. It's backslash beta. Make sure it is easy to remember. Click on add, click on OK, and then close this. Now let's try backslash beta, hit enter, and that's it. Now let's try with the gamma. Go back to insert tab, click on symbol, click on more symbols, and then click this subset drop down arrow, scroll up, choose Greek and Coptic, scroll down, and you will find this beta, the commonly used, gamma, the commonly used gamma symbol. Click on autocorrect, replace it with text, type backslash gamma, and then click on add, click on OK, close this. Now let's type it, backslash gamma, hit enter. So whenever you are going to insert an alpha sign, beta sign, or gamma sign, you just need to simply type the text, the shortcut keys that you have created, and this will eventually appear just like what you did. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.